I'm on a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture when you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but it's too late to try. Ain't no time that we wasted, all of our brains burning down. I've wasted my nights, you turn out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm on a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all gone. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song now we sing. We don't look back on tomorrow. If you forgot yesterday, I give you my love tomorrow. But you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine. I don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of our brains burning down. I've wasted my nights. You turn out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all gone. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song I'll be singing. Now I'm at a payphone.
Man, fuck that shit. I'll be out spending all this money while you sitting around wondering why I wasn't you who came up for nothing. Made it from the bottom, now when you see me I'm something. And all of my consult with the push of a button. Telling me I changed since I blew up or whatever you call it. Switching over to my phone so you never could call it. Don't leave my name on my shirt, you can tell that I'm ballin'. Swish, what a shame, could've got picked. Had a really good game, but you missed your last shot. So you talk about who you see at the top or what you could've solved. But sad to say it's over for. Better pull up, ballet, open doors. Wish it go away, got what you was looking for. Now it's me who they want, so you can go and take that little piece of shit with you.
I'm at a